Hi, this is Forever Beauty. I'm here again. Today I'm going to talk about my daughter's body lotion and what I've been using for her since I gave birth to her. So, I've when I gave birth to her, I started using shea butter, which is I bought the brand of Jipo Ori. I could not get the pictures of that Ori, but you will know Jipo Ori if you get to where they are selling all these things. That different variety of Ori. So if you tell them you want Jipo Ori, the one they use pink to write the name, that is the one I use for my baby. I use it for her from birth till she clocked 1 year 3 months. It was when she clocked 1 year plus that the shea butter did not work on her body again, so I just have to get a body lotion. So this is the body lotion I bought for her. Kids and Teen American formula. Kids and Teen have different these brands like names, Olibas or so. So I use American formula for her. It does not bleach her cream. It does not bleach her skin nor make her more fairer like the way she used to be before. When I gave birth to her, she was fair. I will show you some of her picture. And it does not give out dark knuckles because I don't think this cream is bleaching cream. I don't know, maybe it has different variety of American formula, but the one I'm using presently, it does not make her dark and it does not make her more fairer. So her skin is still the same thing. You can see me showing it to you guys. So this is the one I use for American formula. I bought it for I think 3,500 or 3,000. So I don't know, and it does not give her dark knuckles as I said. So it's good on her skin and everything was perfect. So I will show you some of our previous video when she was still using that shea butter. That shea butter, I recommend it for different people to use it, because when they were asking me what is the cream I'm using for my baby, I did not use any body lotion on her skin when she was still a baby. I used shea butter. I use shea butter for her, Jipo Ori. That is what I use for her. So when you like this cream now, I checked the ingredients. I did not see any hydroquinone or any ingredient that can harm her skin. This is the only thing I'm using for her. But if for example, maybe she have rashes or any kind of this thing on her skin, you can just get any antifungal cream to rub it on that particular place. Because for me now, I use Kineo for her. Anytime I see that she has any reaction on her skin, maybe we travel and some rashes on her skin, so I just use that one on a particular skin, and where when the rashes has gone, then I'll continue with the Kids and Teen. This is the Kids and Teen. I've used it and I see that it's okay on her skin. That is what she's using presently without missing anything, and it did not make her more fairer. So it's not a bleaching cream. I don't know, for people that say it bleaches their daughters or their sons skin, this is the particular one I'm using for my daughter, and it did not make her to another lighter shade. Her skin is still the same thing, just that she did not dark. She's just average this thing, and she's not a dark girl. So it's not bleaching her skin, because I did not see any changes on her skin that it conspire that she's more fairer. Her skin is still the same way it is. So just subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is just a new YouTube channel. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment. This is just a review. This thing is just a review. So these are my pictures. These are my baby's picture when she was still a baby. You can see her skin. It was that shea butter I'm using for her. So if you want me to explain more better, just drop down your question down below. I will answer all your questions. These are her picture when she was still a baby. This is her picture. You can see that she's not a dark girl. So subscribe. Thank you for watching.